Hello, everyone. Today, we're taking you to one of the most historic Japanese restaurants in South Korea. Located near Sinsa Station in Gangnam, Seoul. The restaurant, Kimchi USA, has been a staple of authentic Japanese cuisine for over 40 years. Recently, they also opened a new branch at Shinsegae, Gangnam, allowing even more people to experience their traditional Japanese dishes. Introduction to the restaurant. Kimchi USA was established in the early 1980s in Gangnam and has been a beloved destination for Japanese food lovers ever since. This restaurant is renowned for its dedication to tradition, hospitality, and, above all, freshness. The interior is tastefully decorated to reflect traditional Japanese aesthetics, offering a cozy yet luxurious atmosphere, where you can truly enjoy your dining experience. At Kimchi USA, you're not just enjoying a meal, you're indulging in a cultural and culinary journey through the flavors of Japan. Dinner Sashimi Course Introduction. Today, we'll be exploring Kimchi USA's Dinner Sashimi course. This course is the pride of Kimchi USA, showcasing the essence of Japanese cuisine in Gangnam. The menu is centered around seasonal seafood, meticulously selected every morning to ensure the highest quality. Each dish in this course is prepared with great care, reflecting the chef's skill and dedication. Appetizer matsutake mushrooms and seasonal delicacies. The course begins with an appetizer that captures the essence of the season. In autumn, this includes dishes featuring matsutake mushrooms. These mushrooms are prized for their elegant aroma and firm texture. The subtle fragrance of the matsutake marks the start of the meal, setting the stage for the sashimi to come. Paired with seasonal vegetables, the matsutake's flavor harmonizes beautifully, enhancing your appetite. Sashimi tuna akami, chutoro, otoro. The sashimi course features a variety of fresh fish and seafood, with tuna being the highlight. At Kimchi USA, you can enjoy different cuts of tuna, each offering a unique taste experience. Akami, the lean, red part of the tuna, known for its rich yet clean flavor. The firm texture and the depth of the tuna's natural taste are the epitome of sashimi. Chutoro, a medium fatty cut that balances tenderness with flavor. It melts in your mouth, offering a perfect harmony of richness and freshness, ideal for those new to tuna sashimi. Otoro, the fattiest part of the tuna, known for its buttery melt-in-your-mouth texture. Otoro's rich flavor leaves a lasting impression, making it a true delicacy. Sashimi sea bream. Sea bream is another beloved fish in Japanese cuisine, noted for its firm flesh and slight chewiness. Kimchi USA's sea bream sashimi is exceptionally fresh, allowing you to enjoy its natural sweetness and delicate flavor. The clean taste and slight sweetness of the sea bream create a refreshing experience, especially when paired with the subtle ocean aroma that accompanies each bite. Sashimi abalone. Abalone sashimi is a dish that highlights the deep flavors of the sea. With its unique, firm texture, the abalone at Kimchi USA is exceptionally fresh, with the sea's aroma preserved in every bite. Its chewy texture becomes more enjoyable as you chew, releasing a burst of ocean flavor that fills your mouth. This dish is a must-try for any seafood lover. Sashimi salmon. Salmon sashimi is known for its rich yet soft flavor. At Kimchi USA, the salmon is cut thick, providing a tender, smooth texture that melts in your mouth. The freshness of the salmon enhances its deep, umami flavor, making it a perfect choice for sashimi enthusiasts. Salmon is also a popular choice for its health benefits, being high in protein and low in fat, making it an ideal sashimi option. Grilled dish teriyaki black cod. After the sashimi, the course continues with a grilled dish teriyaki black cod. This dish is known for its fragrant aroma and crispy texture on the outside, while the inside remains moist and tender. The black cod's rich, fatty flesh offers a melt-in-your-mouth experience, perfectly complemented by the sweet and savory teriyaki glaze. The dish strikes a perfect balance, making it a favorite among diners. Steamed dish simmered sea bream head. The steamed dish in this course is simmered sea bream head, a dish that maximizes the deep flavors of the fish. While the sea bream head contains less meat, it offers a rich umami flavor from its bones and cartilage. At Kimchi USA, this dish is expertly steamed to bring out these deep flavors, served in a soy-based sauce that pairs wonderfully with rice. The soft and intense flavors of this dish make it a memorable part of the course. Sushi and warm miso soup. Finally, the course concludes with carefully crafted sushi and a warm bowl of miso soup. The sushi at Kimchi USA is made with the freshest ingredients of the day, with each piece offering a perfect balance of vinegared rice and fish. The sushi melts in your mouth, leaving a satisfying finish to the meal. The miso soup, rich with the flavors of the sea, offers a comforting and soothing end to the course. Today, we've taken a deep dive into Kimchi USA's dinner sashimi course. This restaurant, with its rich history and tradition, offers a unique opportunity to experience seasonal seafood and authentic Japanese cuisine. If you're looking to explore the essence of Japanese food in Gangnam, Kimchi USA should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to check out their new Shinsegae, Gangnam branch for the same exquisite dining experience.